Discovering Chofu, Japan offers a unique glimpse into a city where tradition meets innovation. Located just 15 kilometers west of central Tokyo, Chofu has evolved into a vibrant urban center, drawing attention for its recent cultural and recreational developments. Start your visit by exploring the Chōfu City Folk Museum, which regularly hosts exhibitions showcasing the area's rich history and natural beauty. Art enthusiasts can admire contemporary works at the Tokyo Art Museum, designed by the renowned architect Tadao Ando, adding a modern touch to the city's creative landscape. Outdoor spaces in Chofu are equally captivating. The Jindaiji Botanical Gardens, with over 100,000 trees and diverse flower zones, provide a tranquil retreat for nature lovers. Families can enjoy Nogawa Park, featuring natural springs and engaging play areas. Culinary experiences abound, with local highlights like Yusui Soba, serving up famed soba noodles alongside the bustling Tenjin-dori Shotengai shopping street. With convenient access via Chofu Station and commuter flights from Chofu Airport, exploring this dynamic city is both easy and rewarding.